backwards. We're going backwards. Hey, how's it going? Say hi. Say hi.
I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, we're good.
A woman so heartless.
Oh, hi. Like cutting off half my head here.
Holy shit! That leaked on me. Oh my god, all of it leaked on me.
Sorry.
Hold this.
Oh yeah, hold this while I'm driving.
Yeah. It looks like I fucking just pissed myself.
Okay, well I need to drive.
Oh, it's all in my crotch area.
Oh.
It totally looks like I pissed myself. Oh my god. You're good. Yep, it definitely looks like I pissed myself. I'm all sticky and wet. Holy shit, that
Are you okay?
The question is are you okay?
Yes, I am PG. Just for the simple fact you peed yourself in my car.
I didn't pee myself, I just couldn't control it anymore. Fucking pay attention to your damn driving!
The lights are off.
Oh my god, you don't have the lights on. We should turn the lights on.
No, I shut them off because it was pulling up to your house.
Oh.
What time is it?
I got 2 minutes.
Oh.
Making sure I'm not forgetting anything. Oh, that works. Are you recording?
Yes. That was weak.
You can't really see. Can't see it.
I know, she peed.
I peed. I need to go inside and change myself because I'm all wet and sticky.
Ew.
JK. JK. J.
Freaking K. Gosh.
I know, right?
I have a question.
What?
I forgot.
You're retarded.